have a husky girl. Bang! Bang! Unboxing video. Literally about to head out with Maya to the cottage. So, let's quickly shoot this. I showed you guys it in my Sense haul. Apollo glasses by AKILA. Afield Out's one of my favorite brands right now. They're pretty fire products. Expensive, but they do a lot of sales. Ooh! So, we open this up and you get this beautiful cork box. This nice recycled paper. Talks about the company, AKILA Eyewear, Los Angeles, Respect the Sun, made with acetate, all that good stuff. So I think it's like a really well-known, funky glasses brand. And you open them up and it's like a nice sealed case too. Ooh, with a pretty like flower bandana pattern cloth, cleaning cloth with some wax paper. Ooh, I love that, I love that. And then wrapped around the recyclable plastic, you get the gray, which is kind of like a brownish gray with that beautiful flower design, one of the main things that kind of popped out for this item. And this bag is 100% plastic free. Biodegradable, nice. I like the biodegradable bags. The one dispenser I go to has been doing that too, so I'll toss that in the compost with those bags. Ooh, and then the purple lenses, kind of looks kind of like reddish. Like the colors aren't really that accurate, it's kind of more unique, but I love it. Oh, I didn't know that was like, these are like shiny, like silver stencil designs on here, and there's even the little flower on the glasses too, so all the little details. And they're actually like nice, heavy duty, high quality. Ooh, that purple, that's sick, bro. These are sick with the outfit. They're not like big glasses either, they're nice like tiny glasses. I have a big head, so I don't know, I just find glasses are also just like big a lot of the time. These are sick. Okay, I can take them to the cottage, maybe wear them if I need them driving or something, and yeah, I think what just creeped. So I leave the door open. Alright, let's hit the roads, Maya. We gotta get there before the sun goes down so I can use these. Yes! I'm so excited now. Let's go.